Are you finding it tough to pick the perfect RC car for a beginner without getting overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a clear, beginner-friendly list that won't break the bank. Today, I'm going to be going over the best RC cars for beginners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ACAMMZAR RC Drift Car. Beginners who want to explore the art of RC drifting, this model offers an inviting balance between stability, power, and control. The chassis is built from a tough polycarbonate shell with a reinforced internal frame to absorb shocks on wood floors, tile, and even rough concrete, making accidental bumps less dramatic and more manageable as you learn. Car ships with a 2.4 GHz radio system that keeps responses crisp with minimal lag, which matters when you're practicing precise throttle application and steering angles near walls or furniture. Compact rechargeable battery pack powers the unit and charges via a standard USB charger, which makes top-ups quick between sessions and reduces downtime when you're logging practice hours. The drivetrain is tuned for drift-friendly handling. Wider rear tires deliver predictable traction for smooth slides, while the front tires help you maintain line and control through corners. Suspension is designed with forgiving travel and a low center of gravity, which helps reduce tipping when you swing through a tight drift arc at modest speeds, while still absorbing bumps caused by imperfect surfaces. This model uses an easy-to-read steering servo with mid to low sensitivity in beginner mode, ensuring gentle introduction to throttle modulation and wheel angle without sudden overstocks. Details like adjustable camber and toe settings invite curious newcomers to experiment with drift angles as confidence grows, while the bumper, chassis guards, and sturdy wheel hubs fend off common crash scenarios common to living room training or driveway practice. Maintenance is approachable, with widely available replacement parts and simple, tool-friendly tweaks that don't require a wrench and socket set. The included user guide breaks down setup steps, from binding with the controller to calibrating trims and steering centering, and encourages a steady, measured progression from straight runs to controlled drifts. Compared to the Contixo HC4A, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the ACAMMZAR RC Drift Car emphasizes drift-oriented tuning and rear wheel feel, providing a more expressive introduction to RC motion for new drivers who want to master slides before speed. At number 4, we have the Contixo HC4A. This young-at-heart mini-marvel is designed with parents and kids in mind, pairing a friendly, intuitive control scheme with a rugged build that can survive enthusiastic beginners who are still learning the ropes. Contixo brand tends to emphasize safety-first features. A soft, impact-absorbing bumper and rounded edges protect furniture and little fingers during enthusiastic start and stop sessions, while the chassis uses a resilient plastic and metal suspension system that dampens rough ground without feeling soggy or unresponsive. The 2.4 GHz radio control offers stable, interference-free operation and a simple throttle/steering layout that helps new drivers build confidence quickly. Many users report how the responsive steering makes it easy to execute gentle curves and straight-line runs. Battery life is typically generous for a beginner model, with a rechargeable pack and a USB charger included, allowing for more practice before a recharge is needed. Surface compatibility is a real strength here. The Contixo HC4A handles smooth indoor floors, carpet, and paved driveways with predictable grip, while the robust tires provide enough traction for light off-road use without overwhelming the beginner's propulsion. Maintenance is straightforward too, as replacement parts are readily available, and the wheels, gears, and shocks are designed for quick swaps after mishaps. The vehicle's wheelbase is tuned for stable tracking, which translates into less twitchy steering for first-time drivers who are still learning to read the road beneath them. Few families appreciate the built-in LED headlights for night practice or dim garage sessions, which lets new drivers gauge speed and line more precisely. Compared to the Hielse Remote Control Car, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Contixo HC4A offers a more forgiving learning curve and a focus on everyday reliability rather than camera-ready features or high-speed capability. At number 3, we have the Hielse Remote Control Car. This model stands out with all-terrain versatility, bringing features that help beginners test both indoor maneuverability and outdoor exploratory driving without feeling overwhelmed. Chassis typically uses a sturdy plastic shell and a flexible, impact-absorbing suspension to navigate cracks in concrete, grass, and carpet with a calmer, more predictable ride, which means fewer spine-tingling moments for newer drivers as they learn throttle control and wheel angle timing. 2.4 GHz wireless link maintains steady control even when other hobbyists are nearby, a practical advantage for shared driveways or wide living room spaces where interference can otherwise creep in. Performance tuning is presented in a way that beginners can appreciate. A gentler initial throttle response, a steering curve that feels forgiving at center, and accessible speed options that keep the car within comfortable limits while still feeling responsive. Any kits include a rechargeable battery and USB charging setup, which helps minimize downtime between runs, and spare parts are typically available through the retailer or community forums if you ever want to upgrade or repair after minor mishap. The drive system on this unit balances traction and stability, enabling confident acceleration and controlled deceleration when you're practicing figure eights and tight corners in a bedroom-sized course or a small driveway. Scale and design often evoke a toy-like charm that keeps younger users engaged, while parents appreciate the durable construction and safety-conscious features. Compared to the HAIBOXING 18859, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Hielse model leans into approachable, off-road capable performance and a more forgiving ride profile that helps beginners stay steady when switching surfaces. At number 2, we have the HAIBOXING 18859. This budget-friendly option is a popular choice for newcomers due to its rugged design, straightforward controls, and the sense of confidence that comes from a vehicle that feels sturdy in hand. Frame is usually constructed with a combination of hard plastic and metal components to survive the inevitable bumps of a learning curve, while the suspension system absorbs minor irregularities on carpet, concrete, and light gravel with a degree of resilience that keeps steering predictable. Many kits come with a 2.4 GHz radio system that maintains stable connectivity and reduces interference, which matters when you're sharing space with other hobbyists or household electronics. The drivetrain on this class of cars is typically brushed, which translates into easy maintenance and predictable throttle response, a factor many beginners value when they're getting used to modulating speed and drift cadence. Rechargeables are common, with rechargeable batteries and a simple USB charger that fits into everyday charging routines, so you don't have to hunt for specialized packs. The overall weight distribution is calibrated to minimize tip-over during turns, so you can practice slow slides, steady pulls, and straight-line acceleration without feeling overwhelmed by abrupt changes in direction. Customer support and spare parts availability make this a low-risk starting point for families exploring RC as a hobby, especially when you want to buy one car that can be repaired easily and affordable upgrades exist in the aftermarket. Compared to the BLUEJAY RC Car, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the HAIBOXING 18859 represents a value-forward entry that emphasizes reliability, wide compatibility with common spare parts, and a forgiving ride for absolute beginners. At number 1, we have the BLUEJAY RC Car. This option blends durability, approachable performance, and a refined control feel that helps beginners transition into more ambitious RC driving. The chassis design leans into a robust, impact-durable shell with a balanced weight distribution that makes straight-line acceleration predictable and cornering less intimidating as you gain confidence. The 2.4 GHz radio link is paired with a sensitivity adjustment, so beginners can start with a gentler steering response and gradually tune up for crisper handling as their skills improve. On surfaces from smooth hardwood to compact gravel, this model's tires and suspension offer a comfortable compromise between grip and slide control, encouraging players to experiment with slight oversteer and controlled drifts without requiring advanced setup. Included battery and charger keep sessions going, while the car's built-in safety features help keep temperature and motor load in check during longer practice blocks, which is especially helpful for younger drivers who may push the car a little beyond the recommended pace. Maintenance is straightforward, with common spare parts widely available and a friendly parts ecosystem that makes upgrades or repairs accessible for hobby newcomers. The design focus emphasizes intuitive handling, predictable throttle response, and an even distribution of weight that prevents sudden yaw or roll as you negotiate tight turns. Compared to the ACAMMZAR RC Drift Car, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the BLUEJAY RC Car delivers a more rounded, all-purpose experience that suits beginners who want to learn basic control first and then explore drift or ramp-style experimentation as confidence grows.